Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to increase your WordPress memory limit on hosting year 2024. Now, if you've come onto this video, you're definitely a WordPress enthusiast. Today we're going to show you how to increase the memory limit for your WordPress site hosted on Hostinger. If you're encountering issues with plugins or themes due to insufficient memory, do not worry, we've got you covered with this easy to follow guide. First things first, you're going to want to access the WordPress files. The first step is to access your WordPress files. You can do this either through an FTP client, like FileZilla, or directly from the Hostinger dashboard. Once you're in the file manager, locate the root directory of your WordPress installation, locating the wp-config.php file. Next, we need to locate the wp-config.php file. This file contains essential configurations for your WordPress site, including the memory limit. Right-click on the wp-config.php file and choose the Edit option. We'll be adding a line of code to this file to increase the memory limit. Adding the code. Within the wp-config.php file, scroll down to find a suitable location to add our code. It's best placed to it just before the line that says, "That's all. Stop editing. Happy blogging." I've attached the screenshot of the code. It goes something like this. Define, open brackets, wp_memory_limit, 256M, brackets closed and semicolon. Here we're setting the memory limit to 256 megabytes, but you can adjust this value according to your site's needs. Now, all you have to do is just click on the Save Changes button to update the wp-config.php file. Great. Now let's head back to our WordPress dashboard to verify that the memory limit has been increased successfully. To check if the memory limit has been updated, go to Tools and then Site Health in your WordPress dashboard. Under the Info tab, scroll down to the Service section and look for WP memory limit. You should see the new memory limit value reflected there. And there you have it. You've successfully increased the memory limit of your WordPress site hosted on Hostinger. Now before we wrap up, it's a good idea to double-check your site to ensure that the changes haven't caused any issues. Test your plugins, themes, and site functionality to confirm everything is running smoothly. Always remember, adjusting the memory limit can help resolve issues related to performance and compatibility, so it's an important aspect of managing your WordPress site. Thank you for following along with Skype. We hope it has been helpful in addressing any memory-related issues you may have encountered. Thank you for watching. Make sure you leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you.